Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by duplicating the layer so you can revert. This preserves the original. Select the magic eraser and set tolerance around 20 to 40 so you remove targeted pixels without wrecking adjacent tones. Once done, switch to a small brush at 1 to 5 pixels for trimming edges. Make sure anti-aliasing is on to smooth transitions. You're acting immediately to remove bulk areas, then refine at higher zoom to catch hard edges and semi-transparent pixels. Now you refine. You switch between selection tools and layer masks to preserve fine detail while removing the rest. Use a small feather, about 0.5 to 3 pixels, to soften the cut so the subject blends naturally. This avoids a harsh halo. Once the main removal is done, create a new layer and use clone or healing at varying opacities to rebuild background texture where needed. Make sure to toggle the mask and paint with black or white to fine-tune what stays and what goes. Finish by inspecting the image at different sizes. You want the subject to look natural at screen and print scales. When satisfied, keep the file layered until export. Save a PNG for transparency, or save as layered PSD in case you need to re-edit. If you see color fringing or harsh edges, desaturate fringe pixels or use a tiny 0.5 pixel Gaussian blur followed by selective sharpening to blend. If something goes wrong, revert to the duplicated original layer and repeat the mask refinements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.